Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Andrej Sedlacek and I run sales here at the Q System company. And we are a Czech manufacturer of Q control system. Control system is one of our product family which consists of many components, hardware components and software components dedicated to building automation or control systems, if you want. We have there a lot of particular small components like controllers here or touch panels. Of course, there is necessary support from software and flexibility and scalability of our control system, which is something we have in our DNA for over 3 decades, is useful on many places. So even it was primarily designed for corporate vertical, it's easy to use it also in sport venues, transportation projects, residential market, and so on. If you need more information, we are very happy to welcome you here at our booth on ISE 2023, or you may go to visit our website www.qsystem.com.